Hello everyone. I know that I do not reveal anything new if I tell you that the crises that we have to deal with today have nothing to do with the ones 10 years ago. Neither if I assert that our smartphones have turned us into potential media. The increased connectivity that has changed our lives has given us access to an exorbitant amount of information which poses a serious risk to organization in crisis situations. Hyperconnection and hypertransparency have made us hypervulnerable. In the real time of the crisis, concepts such as the golden hour become anachronistic. The scenario in which crises are managed is now eminently digital. The internet and social networks are to blame. It is no longer enough to maintain a good relationship with the media to neutralize an issue. Any of the stakeholders has become a risk vector, starting with the employees, the real and authorized spokesperson of the organizations. This diabolical scenario requires an update, not only in the methodology of crisis management, but also in the tools and solutions that make it possible to move from the traditional crisis committee to a digital one. We cannot keep looking in a drawer for the old crisis manual. We cannot count on our communication to withstand an external attack. Solving the new scenario with a renewed vision and with tools that rise to the challenge in the objective of the workshop, I invite you to join. We will analyze the new scenario and perform a simulation with a solution that we think can help manage the new crisis paradigm more efficiently. It will be a pleasure for me to see you in the workshop and encourage you to join. See you soon.